Hello guys, welcome to my latest video. This time I will be opening the Donruss 2020-21 Fat Packs. 30 cards in each pack. Exclusive green and yellow laser parallels. I think on average one in every pack. Some other nice couple inserts, and obviously we'll be looking for the rated rookies. James Wiseman, Anthony Edwards, and LaMelo Ball. So let's start unpacking these beauties and we'll see what cards we will receive. Just a quick reminder for everyone, if you hadn't subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting that subscribe button, and at the end of the video, if you enjoyed this video as much as I did, then please hit the like button. So let's start by revealing the cards of pack number 1. So Andrew Wiggins, Kevin Love, Lonzo, Gary Harris, D Rose, Markelle Fultz, CG, John Wall, the Joker, MVP, Davis Bertans, Cam Reddish, Karis LeVert, Derek White, Duncan Robinson, DeAndre Hunter, Matthew Dellavedova, Bradley Beal, Keldon Johnson, Ben Simmons, Ivica Zubac, Miles Bridges, Kobe White, nice, second year Kobe White, and we have here Tyrese Halliburton, ladies and gentlemen. What's next is Pascal Siakam, live and in person, franchise features. Also, the next card is a veteran, non-rookie, and it is Jeff Green. So here, and the rookies are Elijah Hughes, Robert Woodard, Vernon Carney, Udoka Azubuike, and the last one is Denny Avdia. That's nice. So cool, Denny Avdia and Tyrese Halliburton. Nice cards, nice cards. I like these Great Expectations. Nice design for those cards. Pack number 2. So yeah, like I say, it's on average 2 inserts, 1 parallel. How many rookies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rookies. So 5 rookies, so it leaves us with 22 base cards. Joel Embiid, Dame Time, Shake Milton, Jackson Hayes, Jonas Valanciunas, Josh Jackson, Domantas Sabonis, 2 Lithuanians in the same pack, so maybe we will hit James Anthony Edwards, yellow, green parallel, green, yellow, laser. Tim Hardaway Jr., Spicy P, Dante DiVincenzo, Mr. Triple Double, Mr. Zion Williamson, T.G. Warren, Draymond Green, Taurean Prince, Tobias Harris, Wendell Carter Jr., Jarrett Allen, Lonnie Walker, Joe Ingles, Jeff Teague, and we have all-time league leaders, Mr. Dirk Nowitzki. What's here? Complete players. Zach Levine. So not numbered, nothing. And here is for the Warriors. Is it rookie? It's not rookie. It's not Steph Curry. It's Eric Pichal. And the rookies are Jahimus Ramsey, Jordan Nwora, Theo Maledon, Malachi Malachi Flynn, and R.G. Hampton. So that's nice. That's nice. What the third and final pack will bring us. Hopefully something very, very nice and cool. Okay. Oh, luckily it's Precious Achua, not LaMelo Ball, but you can see how damaged this card, the last card is. So hoping only that one card. DeJounte Murray, Dwight Powell, Anthony Simons, Terry Rozier, Nikola Vucevic, Eric Gordon, Mr. LeBron James, at your service, the king. Okay, let's put it here next to the new wave. And let's carry on with Blake Griffin, Ricky Rubio coming up next, Terrence Ross, Kristaps Porzingis, Sam Whiteside, upside down, Brook Lopez, Doug McDermott, Miles Turner, this time himself, not like in the hoops. It's a different player. Aaron Holiday, I believe. Mike Conley, Paul Millsap, Chris Dunn, Nerlens Noel, Ja Morant. That's something. Landry Shamet, Bogdan Bogdanovic, and we have complete players. Complete is Zion Williamson. That's cool. Franchise features, live and in person, is Trae Young. And who we have a laser, rated rookie, Anthony Edwards. Spurs, rated rookie, Devin Vassell. Nice. Devin Vassell, nice. I like him. And the regular rookies are Trey Jones, Daniel Oturu, Jaden McDaniels, Caleb Martin, and that damaged Precious Achua. Yeah. So basically, fly baby. That will be for kids to play that card down below. And that's it. The last pack was opened. No big deal. But like I say, I like Devin Vassell. So it's nice to get his card. And in the special, green-yellow laser. Denny Avdija, Tyrese Halliburton, Great Expectation, LeBron James, and also we got the base, Zion Williamson and Ja Morant. I don't know, one of those versions. So yes, like I've mentioned before, if you like this video, guys, just hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And we're definitely gonna see you again in my next video. Bye now.